Your mouth is so stuffy.
But you can't eat a waffle because you'll choke on your belly.
You can't eat a waffle because you're choking on your belly?
Yeah.
That's correct. That's why nobody eats waffles, because they always choke on their belly. All right, we're in the airport.
Yes.
We're going to where? Where are we going?
Texas. Look, a big airplane.
A big airplane. Are you gonna go on that one? Yeah. Are you gonna kick the seat in front of you? Hey, have you ever been to Texas before?
No.
Are you gonna talk like this when you get there?
No.
Yay, me and Chase are zone 1. They're not on here yet. Haha. Keep going. Keep going. My gosh, we had the last row. Where's mommy? Wait, you see mommy? Back here, mommy.
Show us. Cheater.
Cheater.
You're supposed to catch us to us.
You're supposed to catch up to us, mommy. We're here.
I knew it.
How was your flight?
Right.
It was good? The sign says toilets. It's pretty straightforward. Ground transportation. Yes, this way. Oh no, they don't like the letter N. Yep, this place is the best deal on rental cars. $1. Dollar rental cars. If it's any more than $1, I'm going to be surprised. All right, guys, we have 2 cars to choose from. We can take that car or this car. Which one?
This car.
Everybody wants that car? All right, we're a $1. Right? Let me see the receipt. What? The receipt says 100 and what? I thought this was $1. What? You guys like the car?
Yeah.
You guys got enough room?
Yeah.
Hey guys, do you know that Chase fell out of the window of the airplane?
What?
Do you want to see a clip?
Yeah.
It worked. Yes, this place has free hot breakfast. Good thing it's not ripping us off like the $1 renter car that cost 100. Oh, now you got the music? What song is that?
Centuries.
That's been on replay since we left home. For centuries, for no money, cause I spent it all on a car that was supposed to be $1. There we go. Wow, this room is tiny. Okay, no wait, it keeps going. Okay, nice. They got wheatgrass here. This is a healthy hotel. Chase, Lex, Mike, look at this. That's how you know we're at a good hotel.
Popcorn.
Free popcorn. Ah! 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 It's broken. Never mind, guys. Alrighty, so right now we are going to, what are we doing?
So we're going to iFly and it's an indoor skydiving.
That's it. It's indoor skydiving. And remember when we went to Tennessee?
Mm-hmm.
They had it there, but we didn't get a chance to do it. Guys, look at that.
iFly.
We're gonna go skydiving.
Yeah.
Before we fly, we gotta eat though. You gonna get a sandwich?
Yeah. Do you have buffalo chicken?
Yeah, right there. Yeah. All right, Subway for Lex, chicken for the rest of us. How's your sandwich? Good. Go ahead, Lex, do your sandwich up. Oh, look at the nuggets. Look at these rusty nuggets. So, Lexi, you didn't want Chick-fil-A, right? Because you didn't want chicken. But what sandwich did you get?
Buffalo chicken.
Lexi has the weirdest preferences. She doesn't like chicken, but she likes chicken. Chase, how's your food? Good? I thought so. He said his food is blah. He's dead? Chase? Alrighty guys, we are outside of iFly, but we can't go inside because everywhere says no parking. On this side, it says fire lane, no parking here. And they're like, oh, okay, we'll just park up here. Oh wait, there's another line that says no parking. Okay, oh, look at these spots, that's good. Oh wait, fire lane, no parking. What is going on? Alright guys, we just left iFly. Did you have a fun time?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go eat. Where are we eating?
Cheesecake Factory.
Yes.
Look at this one.
That one's good. Which one?
This one, because it
That's your
has like the strawberries and like the juice all over.
Yeah, the top. Chase, which one's your favorite?
This is my favorite.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, my favorite is the chocolate one.
Chris's outrageous cheesecake.
Oh wait, that might outbeat them.
Oh, you changed your mind? Okay, get down. We're gonna scare mommy. We didn't scare Mike, he just ran past. Mike, tell everybody what you got.
Sliders.
Chicken sliders. Dude, that looks so good. And I got chicken chili. And you got fettuccine. And what did you get?
Chicken piccata.
Chicken piccata. Smile, Sky Mom.
This is
And what did Chase get? Where's Chase? We are at this store called Expect More. No. This is Expect More, Pay Less.
Have you heard such thing as Super Walmart? But this is like Target.
The navigation just said arrived at Super Target. All right, so what are we getting here?
We're getting.
We are gigging giggles.
We're getting goggles for our for the pool for the hotel.
Wrong way, bro. It says do not enter. Oh, go for it. Be dangerous. He's stuck. No, Mike, they're coming for you. Mike. Dude, they were coming for you.
I went all the way over there to get you.
Let's just see the Skyliner section. Fine, you've talked me into it. Whoa, look. Pound it, pound it, pound it. Show them which Oreo we missed for our challenge.
Cotton candy.
Never even heard of it. All right, guys, let's get what we come here for. As Lexi would call them, giggles. Ooh, I'm gonna get this giggy.
Daddy, I got my goggles.
You got yours? All right, I got mine. Whoa. We're going to the pool. Okay, cool. Wait, I thought we were playing basketball. I got dressed up for basketball.
No.
Oh, I look like I'm dressed for basketball.
No, you don't.
Is it good? It's hot? Whoa, dude, you almost hit that table. Good thing that sign is there because I almost forgot who to call. All right, go for it. Go. Oh! All right, guys, we're done. This is the end of our day. We hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us. Say have a funnel night.
Have a funnel night.
See you tomorrow. Ew.
Have a funnel night. Have a funnel night too.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We got some breakfast here. What are you making? You making a waffle? Oh, nice. Oh, dude, that's gonna taste so good. Like this. Boom. Oh.
Should I get orange juice or apple juice?
I would get a mixture of both. So it's orange. Oh, flip baker over. Whoops. There we go. And then wait for beeping. Oh, that's easy. Boom. Let's see it. Come on. No, it's not right. Dude, look what happened, man. We got like 2 sets of waffle here. Hot. Look. You can make a little sandwich. Boom.
Taco.
It's a waffle. Okay, Lex, the airplane's coming. Come here. All right, how's your food, guys?
Good.
Your mouth is so stuffy.
But you can't eat a waffle because you choke on your belly.
You can't eat a waffle because you're choking on your belly?
Yeah.
That's correct. That's why nobody eats waffles, because they always choke on their bellies. Is that your drink?
Yeah.
What's it called?
The bread mix muffin.
The bread mix muffin?
Yeah.
Did Michael help you with that name? Ew. Ew, Jay.
You like it?
That's good? What's it taste like?
Cinnamon.
Apple and cinnamon?
Yeah. That looks so good. Hey, subscribers. Even if you had breakfast, here, have some syrup.
You gotta give him a waffle too. Here, give him some of this.
Okay. Ew.
What's up, everybody? All right, so it's day 2. We're in Texas. Today, we're going to this place called Photoscope. Today is the reason why we came to Texas. Normally, we're portal masters.
You want to know why the reason we went to Texas?
Why?
Because I saw State Farm.
State Farm? No, because today we're getting turned into Skylanders. Yeah! But that's gonna be a separate video on the Skylander Boy and Girl channel. You had to come to Target to get some props. All right, where's the toys at? Did you guys see anything you guys want for your pose? Chase, what do you want?
I want Mike and Ike.
Mike and Ike's for your pose? We told Chase we'd get a Mike and Ike's because he said he wasn't gonna take a photo, so we had to bribe him. Mike wants a guitar, Lex wants a microphone, and we can't find that. And Chase doesn't want to hold anything. I don't know, let's go to electronics, see what we can find. Okay, we need inspiration, guys. Oh, that'd be cool if we had a bushwhack we could hold it. We don't want a copy though. They have a guitar, but it's not cool because it's not electric. And a microphone, but it's not that cool. I told Michael he should sit on a piñata. All right, Mike, let's see what that pose would look like. You want to sit on that for the picture? Mike wants to get this. A big burger that he holds. What are you going to be, like a food monster?
Yeah.
All right, so Chase is going to get the piñata. Mike's going to get a Ninja Turtle sword. And Lex, she did decide she's going to roll with the microphone. We'll see if they can color the top silver, right?
So it stands out. But we need to get Mike and Ike.
Oh yeah, where's the Mike and Ike? Chase, show them how you hop on the car while it's moving. Ready? Come on. Oh, nice. You ready for stunts and everything. Whoa, dinosaur Mike and Ike's. That one? Okay, come on. Oh no, Chase. He's coming to get you. Alrighty, so we're all done with our photo. Our 360 photo. Is that cool, right?
Yeah.
Everyone took their photo. It came out good. And Chase, did you like it? Never mind. Okay, Chase is sleeping.
Look, it's one of those crazy guys.
Oh, let's go see him. Sir, we're really hungry. Can you recommend, just point in which direction we should go? Oh, this way? Okay, thanks. All right, so that's where we're going. No, oh wait, not I Fly. Over there. Can you see it?
Bacon Busters. Bave Dusters.
Today we're eating at Dave & Buster's, or as they would say, Bave & Dusters and Bacon Busters. This should be a fun place. Let's go check it out. Dave & Buster's. Whoa, there's all the games. No, we gotta eat first. We gotta eat first.
Oh my.
Is that cool? Look at Michael. This place is crazy.
3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2.
Dude, that looks good. Good? Whoa. The food is so good. Go right here. Go, Chase. Oh.
I'm gonna get it. I'll lose you guys. Yeah!
On your marks. Get set. Go.
Oh! 190 tickets!
Go, Lex. Nice, Mike.
Mommy are going.
Mike, nice. Nice shot. What'd you get, Chase? Chase, you got jackpot. Whoa! You guys can just like go inside there and get a prize. Go, lift it. See if you can go in.
I'll go in.
Ooh, they got an alarm. Oh! 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 You got jibbed. Shake it. Oh my gosh, you got so jibbed. All right, Mike. Mike's gonna try to get it. Maybe. Oh no! Here it goes! Oh yeah! Oh! Go, lift it! Just kidding. You guys did teamwork. Chase, look. One of these, green apple. What are you getting, Lex?
I don't know.
Mike, look at Lexi. So showing me what you got. Where's your Dave & Buster's haul?
I got this.
Okay, we saw Lexi's mouth thing, right?
I got a wiggle pen.
And let's see the ball.
I got the ball. It's stuck.
Oh.
I got it for her.
And there it is. And what'd you get, Mike?
I got
what else?
Sour Power.
Chase, what'd you get?
I got a ball.
Nice. What else you get, Mike?
I got teeth. More teeth.
Some more teeth.
More teeth.
That's good, because with all this candy you be eating, you're gonna need more teeth.
And I got a soldier.
Ooh, a soldier.
Another one.
Another Green Army man.
I got nerds.
Yeah.
$10 eraser.
$100.
I know. Yeah, $100 eraser.
Nice. So it erases on her $100 bill. Seems pretty useless. Hey, let me see. What is that thing you got? Jelly? What is that? A candy?
Yeah, and I got both.
Oh, cool. I don't know what this place is, but it looks cool. I
Too.
think I saw that on like a TV before, a TV show or movie. Alrighty guys, well, not too much going on today. We're just gonna go back, do some swimming again.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not cold again.
Yeah, hopefully not cold. What flavor smoothies you guys got?
I got Island Impact.
I got strawberry banana. I got pea mango.
Pea mango?
No. Making up
I just
mango.
peach mango. What? And we got ostrich Slim Jims.
No.
There you go.
Turkey.
It's ostrich.
No, it's turkey.
No, just pretend it's ostrich. It sounds more daring.
It's ostrich.
Yeah, see? That's why he's laughing. It's definitely ostrich, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's why I like smoothie.
Alright guys, we gotta say goodnight. Have a funnel night, right? That's our day for today. Just watching some
Gravity Falls.
Gravity Falls. And you know what's crazy? Is that subscribers, they say, oh, every time you guys do a video, all you guys ever do is eat. You're just always eating. You know, but those guys are crazy. Alright guys, we gotta go now because I just came back with a bunch of takeout. Alright. Oh, wait, you think they're right? Probably not. All we do is eat. What do they mean by that? It's crazy. That's what you guys are gonna do, man. Jump out of a plane.